Stationary vocabulary words in English. Stapler, stapler. Paperclip, paperclip. Tape dispenser, tape dispenser. Glue stick, glue stick. Sticky notes, sticky notes. Clipboard, clipboard. Envelope, envelope. Glue stick and gun, glue stick and gun. Rubber stamp, rubber stamp. Notepad, notepad. Highlighter, highlighter. Whiteboard marker, whiteboard marker. Permanent marker, permanent marker. Sketch pen, sketch pen. Hole puncher, hole puncher. Masking tape, masking tape. Double-side tape, double-side tape. Push pin, push pin. Magnetic button, magnetic button. Box file folder, box file folder. Ring binder file, ring binder file. Transparent file, transparent file. Lace file folder, lace file folder. File divider, file divider. Sheet protector, sheet protector. File storage organizer, file storage organizer. Plastic scale, plastic scale. Steel scale, steel scale. Gum bottle, gum bottle. Duster, duster. Magnetic duster, magnetic duster. Rubber band, rubber band. Sealing wax, sealing wax. Sharpener, sharpener. Tag, tag. Clip, clip. sewing pin, sewing pin. Silver thumbtack, silver thumbtack. Golden thumbtack, golden thumbtack. Carbon paper, carbon paper. Chart paper, chart paper. Diary, diary. Pocket diary, pocket diary. Desk call bell, desk call bell. Eraser, eraser. Index card, index card. Pin cushion, pin cushion. Whitener, whitener. Color paper, color paper. Color pencil, color pencil. Scissors, scissors. Keychain, keychain. Keychain box, keychain box. Note grip, note grip. Document tray, document tray. Metal mesh pen holder, metal mesh pen holder. Metal mesh document tray, metal mesh document tray. Paper cutter knife, paper cutter knife. Key organizer, key organizer. Fountain pen, fountain pen. Cable tie, cable tie. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.